Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. What's up? What up, though? So y'all, it's early in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm on a Target mission, y'all. So I was just on Google and you know how Google be presenting different ads or whatnot. So they was showing this little tote bag at Target that matched these shoes I got, the little Dior dude. I'm like, okay, Target, I need that to match my sandals. Like, this is exactly why I gotta get me a car mount. Because baby, y'all just gotta give me a car mount. My car mount used to be on this little thing right here. Oh my god, it's a lot going on. But anyway, Target had this little Christian Dior dupe bag to match these sandals that I got. So I was like, okay, that would be a perfect vacation bag, because you know I gotta carry my camera around and I need something roomy to put my camera in. So I was like, I need that bag. Perfect bag for the summer, or you know, something to travel with. So I was like, let me go grab that. So that's what I'm about to do. And then I got some shorts that I picked up, I don't know, a month ago. These little purple shorts, they went on sale for like $17 and some change. If y'all new here, your girl is the queen of getting the difference back when something goes on sale. So that's what I'm about to do. Money add up. I don't care. Like I said, if it's $5, $10, I want it back. If it's $3, I want the difference back. So that's what we're doing. Headed to Target to do that really quick. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all once I pick up the goods. I'll show you it. Y'all, this is what I get for coming in to try on stuff. I can see the potential, but the legs, the pants down here is a no. But it's like one of those cute little knitted outfits. You can wear like a little swimsuit under. Yeah, it's a no. I thought it was gonna have potential, and it runs super big. This top is a medium. I can actually do a small, and these are a large. I probably can do a medium, but like I said, this is totally ugly on me. Maybe for the short, thick girls, yeah. Ooh. What's up, y'all? So this is what I came to get. This is what I got from Target. This little tote bag. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. So this bag, this little tote bag, I got some matching sandals from Target to go with this. It was $30. When I get home, I'll put the sandals next to it. So yeah, I think this is a cute little bag. Not too big, because I don't like real big tote bags. So I think this is the perfect size. And then they got a little zipper, a gold zipper at that. So this is cute. We're gonna see how I'm gonna pull this together. Y'all, my car is yeah, a little messy. I keep my spray on deck. Alright, y'all, these are the shoes I was telling y'all about that matches the bag. You can shop both of these items in my like to know. It'll be linked below. And then they also match my gym shoes if I wanted to like switch it up. So I like that. More bang for your buck. These are also in my like to know. But alright, y'all, I gotta go. Hey y'all, so okay, this vlog is all over the place, but I'm gonna try to put something together for y'all worth watching, right? So I got this mask on. I had some work done in my house and the chemicals are really loud. I'm not supposed to be here, actually. I'm about to leave, but I had to get some packages So yeah, I'm about to leave because like I said, the chemicals are really strong. So I just want to show y'all something right quick. Hold on. Alright, so I got some packages from Amazon. Of course, if you like any of these items, they'll be in my storefront. So I've been on a hunt for some pink heels, y'all. I did get a pair the other day from DSW. I'll probably show y'all a little clip real quick. Okay, so those shoes I cannot fit. I even sized up. They run really small. So I went on Amazon and I ordered these. I ordered 2 pairs. So hopefully I can fit one of them. I don't know which ones I'm going to keep. But I got this. Target actually had something like this last year, but they don't have it anymore. Let's see. I got another pair. Are these the same brand? Okay, these are similar to the ones I just showed y'all from DSW, but I got these. I think I might like these better. I gotta let it marinate. I don't know which ones I'm gonna keep. And then I think my outfit came in, my pink outfit. It did. I might show y'all this in the spring haul. So I'm not gonna show y'all this yet. I might do a try on haul. So let's see. Damn, this is a, what size is it? She in. Y'all sizing be off. I'm about to go and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Y'all, I'm moving around really, you know. He make me so shy, y'all. So I know, okay, let me stop. Okay. Y'all, okay. So I told y'all this vlog is all over the place. So one of my hoes wanted to take me out to eat.
One of your hoes? I'll show you a hoe.
Shut up. So I know my this is my side boo thing. That's what I call him. Is that a cute name? Side boo thing?
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying about you, right? My little side boo thing.
I'm your side boo? See, this is my main side boo, y'all. One of my little hoes, you know. So I know, let me.
You ready?
Yeah, come on. But no, y'all. So the house is toxic, y'all. I had to leave out. So we decided to grab something to eat really quick. He got me out here looking like
Jethro.
Death Row.
Jethro.
Oh, excuse me. Who the hell is that?
Our contract is Death Row.
Excuse me.
Look up Jethro.
I'm such a love.
No. Then I'm gonna look her in her eyes and tell her I love her. I love her, I love her, I love her. Stay back with me.
Later that night.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know pussy power got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to his friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again.
What's up, y'all? It's many days later, y'all. I think y'all saw me last on a Friday. But anyway, I had went and checked out that burger place. It was really good, y'all. I haven't had a burger that good in a long time. But I bought a vase. I wanted to open this vase with y'all. So as y'all can see, my little setup right here. I want to add some LED lights on here to light up the shelves. Also, I want to switch some things out. Like I have my boots on here. Let me show y'all. But yeah, I have my boots on here, and I want to take my boots off and put like some spring shoes on. Also, I want to change that blind out for something neutral, maybe a neutral curtain. I don't know if y'all remember, in a few vlogs back, I did unbox this rug from Burlington. I'm gonna put this down. So I had ordered this vase before. When I got it, it was all messed up, y'all. It was not like the picture. The paint wasn't where it was supposed to be, so I had to send it back. They ended up being out of stock. So I guess they sold out, so it was out of stock for a while. So I went back on there. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. I was like, let me go back on there and see if they restocked. They did. This is the bottom. Let me see. So I ordered it from another seller, because the seller I ordered from before, where y'all see this gold, the gold at, it had white on the gold part, but it's white at the bottom. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. Really, really cute, y'all. So I want to put it in this corner. Let me show y'all. I want to put it in this corner right here. And then I got some of these, what do you call it? This little Pampas Grass. I believe that's what you call it. Oh, it's a lot. And I just swept over here. So I'm going to do this outside. But I'm going to place it. But yeah, y'all, I plan on putting this in this vase right here. I think I might need something to prop it up. But I'll figure that part out once I get there. But I really like this vase. So cute. So I'm gonna put that right here for now. Hey y'all, so this is the end of this vlog. We will pick up in the next vlog. I think we're gonna head to Burlington, and I gotta return too. I gotta go to Journeys. I gotta return some shoes. So I think we're gonna do like a little mall run in the next vlog, and well, mainly Burlington, y'all, because I don't mess with the mall like that. I don't like the mall. I want to be in and out. But we're going to see what Burlington have, because I need a picture for the wall for that area I was showing y'all. And maybe something else, like a little stool or something. I don't know, but I know I want to start recording in that area. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next motherfucking vlog.